देखिए ये बिल्कुल हाई टेक्नोलॉजी पे चल रहे हैं PR75 की, यानी कि जिस दिन 75 की आएगा उससे पहले इन्होंने कॉपीराइट ले लिया है। तो इनके चैनल को आप चेकआउट कीजिए और वीडियो अच्छे लगे तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।
Hey guys, so I have announced my Q&A session for today 2 days back, so I got many of these questions, so thank you for that. So just hit 7,000 subscribers yesterday, and this is also the 100th video on my channel, so it makes it a bit more special. And the best of all, to all my Indian viewers out there, firstly, happy Independence Day. So let's get started. So my name Raktim Raj asked me, what does Hasta la Vista mean? So you are not the only one to ask this question. So firstly, it is not hasta la vista, it's hasta la vista, which is kind of silent, you can call it. So it's okay. It's called hasta la vista, and it's a Spanish word meaning bye. Now, of course, why would I be using it at the end if it doesn't mean bye? Strange you are. So moving on, but before that, you might be getting very bored seeing my face. So let me move off there in 3, 2, and 1, and so here's the split screen, and you might be seeing any gameplay just right now playing. So you can either focus on my ugly face or the gameplay. Up to you. So please don't exit now. Moving on, a guy named Aditya Well, firstly asked how much do you earn. So I replied him that there only. So I don't want to talk about that. And he also asked that can I be your friend? And of course my answer is yes. Everyone of you are my friends. So because you watch my videos and support me than most of my real friends in my real life, so you are a better friend for me. Thank you. I asked, where are you from, West Bengal or Bangladesh? Why are you playing GTA Vice City Bengali version? And he's also from West Bengal, by the way. So I am playing GTA Vice City Bengali version because it's modded. I have unlimited money, and all the first levels of every level is unlocked, and I get many awesome cars like you might be seeing in this video only, somewhere here down there. I have Bugatti Veyron and other various cars and many things. You can do many more things over there, so that's very good. So yeah, and I'm from West Bengal, to be precise, in Kolkata, which automatically answers another question of mine. So he asks he firstly tells Happy Independence Day, which city you live. So I live in Kolkata. This guy asks Bangla Vice City, but how can I get it? So I got it from my brother, so you can just check on Google or just simply torrent. So this guy asks, are you a Bengali? I'm Bengali. Let's sing. So you have a very interesting question. So will you ever live in a forest naked for 5 days alone for 10 million subscribers plus $1 million? I don't see any reason of not doing so, because if I am alone for 5 days naked, then of course no one will be there to see me. So yeah, why not? But one request, please make this a real life situation. I want this. Who is your favorite YouTuber and who inspired you to do YouTube? So my favorite YouTuber is not a technology YouTuber. Actually, they are Smosh. So I've been watching them for quite a while now. So they are my favorite YouTubers. And who inspired you to do YouTube means, so I have a friend who has a channel called Zengen Learning. So he motivated me a lot during my starting days. So he is the main reason. So he's the guy who brought me into YouTube. So yeah, he's the guy, and I have nothing to say against him. You can check his channel out in the description, and please subscribe to him. He makes awesome videos. You can check them out. And also 2 other tech YouTubers called Howzit and Rishi K. From Howzit was just a similar channel as me, because I started off as reviews. So he also did reviews, and then I found a channel called Rishi K, which made some rooting and modding videos, which got me into Android root. And special thanks to Max Lee or Zero Max for helping me out on rooting my Samsung Galaxy S2. So I'll leave their links in the description. How old are you? Well, I'm 17 years old at the moment. Will be turning 18 this year. Are you YouTubing part-time or full-time? I'll call it part-time because I'm still a student, so there's no point of doing it full-time. So yeah. What's your qualification and what was your ambition in childhood? Well, I'm just a 12th pass student just at the moment, and I'm studying B.Tech in a college, so that's my qualification for now. And my ambition from childhood was to become a footballer, which I couldn't do it. So what's your favorite video game? So my favorite video game is, of all time, I'll say FIFA 9. because that's a game in which I have a lot of memories with, playing it in my childhood directly from my school, coming back home and playing FIFA 9. Amazing days. So I'll be looking forward to FIFA 17 though. How to hack Shadow Fight 2 very easily, no root, no lucky patcher, no glitch or laptop or whatever. Thank you, Aryan. So I don't really play games on Android that much, but Shadow Fight 2, a friend of mine called Pure Hacker made a video on that, so you can click on that. So you can check his video by clicking the I button just right now. Asks, how did you grow so much in so less of time? You had about 200 subs in February. Actually, I had that much. Check my milestones like this in the screen somewhere. So just one video went viral, how to make Android look like iOS. So that video got me a huge amount of subs. So you can check the month of May, that got me the most amount of subs. So yeah, that just happened. You just need one good video which will go viral. And many of you made a video on that, how to make Android look like iOS after me. So I'm telling you, if you copy anyone, you can copy. I'm not telling you anything. But if you copy anyone, you won't get any good result like that. So I'll suggest you don't copy anyone, because I did it from my own research. I searched XDA forum and many other websites on making something. And also one more thing, because I was a fan of iPhone when I was very young. Now I'm not that kind of a Apple fanboy. To make my Android look like iOS without actually buying one iPhone. So you can check some of my old screenshots with my Samsung Galaxy Pop probably running on Gingerbread. I used to do all this, make Android look like iOS from long back. So this was fully my original thing. You can check the screenshots now. How to hack Pokemon Go without root on Android Marshmallow. Can you? Yes, I can. Just tell me which kind of hack would you like, because there are many kinds of hacks. How do I root my Asus Zenfone C? It is working very slow. I tried it rooting with many apps but not working. So firstly, I want to tell you that if you are trying one-click root, it won't work, because as much I assume Asus Zenfone runs on Qualcomm Snapdragon and they have a blocked bootloader, so you can't do it by one tap root. You have to follow the process. I would have made a video on that, but I don't have that phone. Sorry, I can't help you in that. You can check other videos or read something write-ups on that regarding which is the best Android phone in your opinion, and which all phones do you use. So at the moment I am using my Samsung Galaxy Tab 4 and my daily driver is OnePlus 2, and recording this video on my iPhone 5C, and some routing videos I do on my Samsung Galaxy S2. So these 4 phones I am using for some way or the other like that. My opinion has to be Samsung Galaxy Note 7. I just love the features. I don't know how it will turn out to be, but I quite like it. Or S7 Edge is also a good choice. Tips when we are starting a new channel. So I just don't have any such tips, but I'll just tell you that thing I followed. Never chase for subscribers, always chase for getting more views. Focus more on getting more views instead of subscribers, and just make good videos which you will think it will go up, and just keep making good videos and post regularly, upload regularly, and you will get what you desire. Mr. 07 asks, most epic behind the scene. Well, I don't have any such behind the scenes except the ones I shared on Instagram and Snapchat. You can check it on the screen just right now. But Techies asked me how you are awesome. Well, I don't think I am. Bros asked me how much did you get in boards. I know him in real life, so he's asking about how much marks I got in my 12th board exams. So it's better you don't ask me, because if you hear it, then never mind. Ricky Roy asked me, you still dating her? My answer is no. So Mr. Tutorial Guy asked me, what's your vision here on YouTube? Is that why I'm still doing YouTube? So because I like it. Of course I like it. The audience helps me. Whenever I upload a video, I see is getting within few minutes only I start getting 40, 50 or 60 views, or maybe 100 in 30 minutes many a times. So that kind of motivates me very much. So I like it quite much. This Verma asks, are we doing a collab? No, we won't. I see that you answered your own question, but we are doing. I approached him for that collab, so we'll be doing soon. Hey, how do you choose the topics for your videos? So firstly, check if there's any trending topics. Like a few days back it was Pokemon Go, and suddenly Prisma had risen very much. If some trending topics is there, so go ahead and try to catch it in the right time. So don't be late as per that. And if nothing is going, then you have to think of what videos will your viewers like, and you have to make a video accordingly. Says, which software have you used to make your intro? So I have used Adobe After Effects CC for making my intro. So this question is a very funny one. How you convinced your parents to let you buy Blue Snowball Eyes? So in case you are wondering, so this is my Blue Snowball Eyes, my microphone. So how I convinced my parents? I don't know. At that moment when they bought me the Blue Snowball Eyes, I was about to hit 1,000 subscribers. About to hit, didn't hit at that moment also. So I told my parents that I'm doing all this and need some support because I can't buy a camera right now. So I had to check for the other side. So just tell them directly why you need it. Or maybe you can go for a cheaper alternative like Samsung Go Mic or something like that. Preview asked me, where do you see yourself in 5 years? So I have a reply to that also by Mr. Tutorial Guy. Says, oh, of course I'll be in my home. Maybe. What if I'm homeless? Anyways. So in 5 years, I see myself going out on streets and different offices begging for jobs. Because I'll be out of college and will be jobless, so will be begging for jobs. So Big Tech TV asked me 4 questions at once. So firstly, a fake question, who is Big Tech TV? I think that's your channel name. I don't know you by the way. Anyways, so the real questions are favorite actress, Bengali and Bollywood. I don't watch Bengali movies, so I have no idea. And for Bollywood, I'll say Priyanka Chopra. Yep. Favorite game as per the graphics goes, so I'll say FIFA 17. Favorite funny channel whose video you never miss to watch? I'll say Smosh. Just previously I said that that's my favorite channel, so I've been watching them for a while. And in India, I'll say BBK Vines. You of course know him. And what do you think about Suicide Squad? How much stars? I told him that I was going to watch Suicide Squad, so he asked me this. I'm not a movie critic, so I'll give it a 3.5. Will you ever make some more DIYs like the DIY gaming steering wheel? If so, when and what will you be making? So I of course want to make more videos like that because I have made a separate playlist called projects, so I'll be making more DIYs there as far this goes. But tech DIYs are very rare, so I have to just pull up my socks and search for more DIYs, and if I find, I'll of course make one video on that without making any delay. Will you collab with my channel also? Please reply. Well, at the moment I'm not looking forward to any more collabs because I have to do probably 4 more collabs on upcoming 4 collabs, right? Will you please subscribe to my channel? Well, if I ever find your video and come across your channel, I'll definitely subscribe because it's not possible for me to do it because I can subscribe to your channel, but that's not a big deal. But if you ask me like this and everyone else will be asking me, please subscribe to him, why are you not subscribing to me? So that conflict might arise. So hope you understand that it's not possible. So can you please make a video on how to make an intro? So I've been getting intro requests for a long time, but please give me some time. RCS God, and there's another guy called RCS God who has been bugging me and all for the intro video. So I just want to tell you something that please give me some time because I have many videos upcoming. So I just need some time. I'll be making it for sure. Just give me some time because it's not possible to manage so many videos and video ideas for publishing so many things, and I have and dealing with life problems like my college. So Pure Hacker is asking me what are the future tech upgrades we can expect from you. For the video quality goes, I'm of course interested in buying a DSLR or any other good camera so that I can produce videos in better quality. Gamer Sage asked me, what do you aspire for your channel by the end of this year? Let me see if we can hit 12,000 subscribers by this year. I need your support, please give me, I'll produce better content, maybe. So he firstly asked me for the confirmation, have I shot my video yet? So I said no. So his question is, why technology and games? Firstly, I didn't understand his question. He then told me that why I make videos on technology and I make some gaming videos, because one thing to say, I didn't start off my channel as a tech channel. So I started off as a Photoshop channel and used to make some football videos as well, football editing videos and all. So the question is how I edit my YouTube videos. So before this I used to edit using Sony Vegas Pro 13 and I recently switched to Adobe Premiere Pro CC. How would you feel if you had to close your channel for some reason suddenly? I'll be feeling bad. What else should I say? So I'll try my best to see that that day never comes and I was able to answer most of your questions. So I'll be hosting another Q&A session for some times in the near future. So I'll catch you in the next. So I'll see you then. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this session. This was my first interaction with you all. Happy Independence Day to all Indians again. And I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, hasta la vista.